Right now Cardano is breaking out on the 5-minute chart from the triangle down over here, and you can see here that the breakout and the retest is coming in, and right now it's going all the way up to 0.34. So let's see how that's gonna play out. Where's my intro? Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the channel, welcome to the new video. Today we're doing Cardano. Why? Because I don't think I ever did Cardano before. Anyways, Cardano has some really nice pump lately. Right now today it's up 4%. So let's see what's happening right now. You can see here already that on the 5-minute chart it's breaking out. We're gonna get to the 5-minute chart, but first we're gonna talk about target at 0.34 and see what's happening with that target, how we got to that target. And we got to go to the monthly chart for that and zoom in a bit. Okay, as you can see already here, we are not doing any wicks right now because we are trying to establish some resistance and support lines and what's happening right now. Okay, so let's start with the resistances and supports. So basically, you can see here, this was really hard resistance before, but once it broke the resistance, it went down, retested the resistance and moved up. Now also, on the move up, it resisted up here, right? So it broke the first resistance, resisted at the second resistance, went down, got support on the previous resistance, broke the second resistance, and now it's on the move up to where? Well, to up here, 0.34. That's our target, next target for Cardano, and after that it's all the way up to the all-time high up here at 0.72 or whatever it is. But right now we're gonna look on this move. What's actually happened on this move is gonna go down and retest this support at 0.13, or it's gonna go all the way up at 0.34, and I'm leaning more towards 0.34 target than the 0.13 retest. I don't think the retest is gonna come. As you saw already on the 5-minute chart, we are already breaking out of the triangle and we are moving in the upside direction. So that means most likely we're gonna go, but there is some obstacles in the way. Now I just want to put not this line over here, this line over here. I think that's line 0.30. yeah, so this might pose, because this line over here at 0.23 we already broken, or we are actually breaking right now. I'm going to show you. I'm going to keep this line. I'm going to make it another color just so you understand what I'm talking about. The yellow line. Okay, keep in mind the yellow line, and these two are going to be some intermediate, well, now we have to change back color, intermediate targets before we actually get all the way to the top at what's that? That's 71. I think it was 72, 73, something like 72. Yeah. So basically, our first target 34, next target is 72, and then all the other lines are just like pit stops on the way up to the all-time high and further than that. So let's go back to the weekly chart and see what's happening on the weekly chart. Just see if you can get some more lines out of it. We're gonna remove some of these lines, especially these down here, because they are support lines. We don't need any more supports. We are going up. We need no more support. We just need going up, right? So we are removing all the lines we don't need. That's what I'm saying always about technical analysis, about the noise. You have to remove the noise. The noise make you head explode, you know. Clean charts, and then you can think, you know. You can't think in noise. Anyways, let's see what's happening here. There are some other resistances here at the top around the 34. That's the top over here. Wait, we didn't go into the charts. Now we are into the charts. I forgot to go into the charts, man. You didn't, maybe you didn't see the charts, did I? Yeah, whatever. I'm not doing a second take on this. Anyways, let's just move on. Okay, so basically this over here, the top over here was resistance. This bottom over here was some kind of support, and yeah, around that. So basically we got these three lines that are actually making an area, and the resistance area, more than just the resistance line, right? So we are looking for this area around here, 36, whatever it is, 34. Let's put down 34 to be our next resistance to break. After that, we're gonna go hit 5 intermediate, and there might be some trading going on here, and then we're gonna go all the way to the top to the 72. Right now we are here at what's that, 0.22. We can, I think, also on the daily we can see that actually this is important because we are hitting these wicks over here and tops over here, right? So some kind of resistance is actually happening right now over here. So let's go to the 5-minute chart and get back to where we were on the start of the video in the intro, and you can see here that this resistance, intermediate resistance, actually happening on the 5-minute chart, trading on the 5-minute chart, right? A sideways movement. We can see it here. Let me turn off the magnet. That this was some kind of triangle that's now being broken. It went up, tried to find support here on the yellow line. It went up to there, didn't, and got rejected. Crossed again, just ran back below it, and now it's crossing it again, and we are getting retest on the resistance on the triangle, also above the yellow line. Now we don't need the yellow line. I explained what the line was for. So basically right now what we're looking for is for this move to go all the way up to this target over here, 0.34, but this was some kind of intermediate resistance before we get to this target, and you can see that this target here corresponds roughly with this triangle over here that's happening right now. Let me move this over here, the breakout, and you can see I say roughly because it's 5-minute chart, like how you draw the triangle, and maybe I moved a little bit up or whatever. I don't know, maybe this was over here, something like that. Maybe I drew it a little wrong. It's in the ballpark area, that's good enough. So basically right here we are expecting some kind of trading before we actually get to the last target at 0.34. So let's zoom out a little bit right now and see what's gonna happen between here and the top. So between, let's go on the weekly here. Let's go on the weekly and zoom a little bit out. Right after the week get to the 0.34, you can expect some kind of trading, resistance, stop, correction, profit taking, and that sort of things, right? So it might actually fall a little bit back. Let's see. Let me just see on the yeah, it might fall a little bit back. How far depends on what kind of pattern is being formed and stuff like that. But basically once it's above the resistance over here, a resistance area, it will either test the area, or it's just gonna continue up until it gets to the 0.5. Also at 0.5 there will be some trading, sideways trading, like we just saw on the 5-minute chart here, before it actually gets to 0.72. So that's it. That's my prediction for what's gonna happen with Cardano. I think it's bullish, like a lot of other coins. I wanted to do actually Bitcoin video today, and then I was nah, let's do Cardano. And because there's a lot of upside to Cardano, and that's what I want to say with this video. Right now the price is at around, I cannot even see where my let's remove some of these lines. Yeah, so right now the price is over here at 0.23. so how much percent gain that is? Let's see, that's something like all the way to the top, 200%, and to the first resistance line it's 44. So basically you got 44% profit from now to the first resistance, and from now to the all-time high you got like 3 times the money, because 200%, 3 times the money, right? So that's good gains, man. That's good gains. That's a good, also good gameplay. Also it depends on what Bitcoin's gonna do, like always, black swan events, corona stuff. Yeah, but yeah, no, that's about it. That's the video. Also, this video is not free, man. It costs 1 like, 1 subscription, and check the Patreon page. Thank you for watching. 767 subscribers so far, going up there. Soon gonna be Ivan on Tech. Soon gonna be bigger than the moon and the MM Crypto and PewDiePie. Yeah, that's the stuff. Thanks for watching.